Hi K1, I'm so happy to be joining you today to read a book together. This morning, your teachers might have shared that this week we're learning all about taking care of the planet and how the things that we can do at home, at school, outside to make sure that the earth is nice and clean and is safe for everyone. So today we're going to read a book that's going to help us learn a little bit more about recycling, reusing, reducing, and the many different ways that we can take care of the earth. As we read this book, I want you to think, how can I take care of the earth even from my house or any place? How can we take care of the earth? So think, how can I take care of the earth? Okay, let's get started. The title of this book is Think Green by Christine Taylor Butler. What do you notice on the cover? That's right. I noticed there are a lot of kids outside. They're planting some flowers. So maybe that's the way that we can take care of the earth. Let's see. Think Green. This book is a little bit bigger than my phone, so it's going to be a little bit tricky. Just work with me. Miss Gallick's class is learning about our planet Earth. They learned that the planet provides all the things we need to live: food, water, and air. To be healthy, we need to keep our planet healthy. What are some things we need to do to keep ourselves healthy? Keep our planet healthy. Yep, that's right. So we need to take care of it. Let's see how. How can the class protect the planet? They can think green. I wonder what it means to think green. The class learns about the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Say them with me. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Those are the 3 R's. Those are ways we can take care of the earth. Reduce means to use less of something. Less paper, less water. It means don't waste. So reduce means not to waste. So I reduce the water I use when I'm brushing my teeth. When I'm brushing, I close the water. I turn it off. That's the way that I'm reducing the amount of water that I use. Reuse means to use something over and over again. Like wrapping paper, save it and wrap another package. That's something I do. If I use a quick napkin just to dry my hands, I reuse it next time I wet my hands and I need to dry my hands again. That's a way I reuse. Recycle means to send back those bottles, cans, plastic jugs, and paper so that they can be remade into more bottles, cans, and paper. At home, I recycle bottles and glass and cans. You should do this same at home. Ask Mommy, do we recycle? And she'll let you know if you have a recycling bin. Next, the class divides into 3 teams: a reduce team, a reuse team, and a recycle team. Each team will make a poster telling others what they recycle. They will all learn to practice green habits. Green habits means good things to do to take care of the earth. If we're thinking green, that means we're keeping our earth healthy. Sally is the leader of the reduce team. Her team shows the class how to use less energy. They say turn out the lights when you leave a room and turn off the TV when no one is watching. That's a way to reduce. That's something you should try at home. You can take care of the earth by turning off the light when you're not in the room and turning off the TV when you're not watching. Sally's team learns that the planet is running out of fresh water. They show the class how to use less water. A barrel can be used to catch the rain. Then the rainwater can be used to water plants or greens. Wow, that's such a great idea. They use rainwater to water the plants. Robert is the leader of the reuse team. His team learns that plastic bags can get into the ocean and harm fish. So no plastic should be left on the ground. Robert's team tells the class how to reuse. Use cloth bags for shopping, they say. The bags can be used for over and over again. Should we use plastic bags? No, not really. We should use bags that we can recycle, and that's the way that we can take care of the earth. Robert's team also shows the class how to save paper. They use both sides of a piece of paper for schoolwork. They also save scraps of paper to make art projects. That's something you can do. When you're making a picture, when you're drawing something, use both sides of the paper. And if you didn't fill up the whole paper, you can use it again next time and add more to your drawing. Gabriella is the leader of the recycle team. They learn that trees help make fresh air for the planet. Gabriella's team brings blue recycling bins to school. They tell the class to separate the paper and cardboard and place it in the bins. Recycling paper and cardboard could save many trees. I bet a lot of you have seen these kinds of bins outside. Those are recycling bins. Say recycle. Gabriella's team also learns that Americans throw away millions of bottles each day. The team puts recycling bins in the classroom for separating plastic and glass too. The plastic and glass will be sent back and remade into new plastic and glass items. Now, Ms. Gallick's class is ready for one more project. They will make a garden. They will plant vegetables and flowers. The plants will provide food and help clean the air. Planting is a great way to take care of the earth. First, the class must clean up the schoolyard. They put on rubber gloves and head out to pick up trash. They separate the plastic, paper, and glass and cardboard and place each into the proper recycling bin. They are careful not to touch broken glass. That job is only for grown-ups. When the class finishes cleaning up, it is time to prepare the soil and plant the seeds. Soon, the students have a clean schoolyard and a brand new garden. They have learned many good habits to help the planet. Can you find ways to help the planet too? The end. What are some ways that we can help the planet from our own homes? Great ideas. I would love for all of you to help your mommies, daddies, aunties, uncles, grandma, and grandpas at home to recycle. Think about the things that you can reuse, reduce, and recycle in your own house. And I can't wait to hear all about it, K1. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.